One. Welcome to another edition of Friday Fast Facts. I'm your host, Josh Kerbach, and today we're coming at you with another special edition. We're going to talk about another product showcase. We're going to talk about this little guy, backup camera for your car. We're extremely excited to be adding more and more backup cameras here at Original One as part of our electrical line that's going to give exciting options for your repair and make sure that it's done safely for your customer. So let's talk about some of the finer points of backup cameras here at Original One. First off, safety. So what's going to be so impressive about this is, whenever we're talking about the safety with this, it is the eyes in the back of your customer's car. You want to make sure that they're able to see everything that's going on around them. Whenever their car was originally designed, this bad boy right here was designed to make sure that they knew everything that was going on back there. You don't want them to run into things because you didn't do a repair properly. So whenever you put an Original One part in the car, you get the limited lifetime warranty that comes with this as long as your customer owns the car, and that's an incredible thing. Next, we're going to talk about functionality. I am positive that when we're talking about our backup sensors, it's unlike anything else on the market because it was designed exactly for that car. It's not the same as an aftermarket camera. It's not the same as a camera that hasn't been tested and gone through. Our engineers have spent hours designing tests and going through these things to make sure they work exactly as the OE intended. And that is extremely important for your customer and for your technician. Last but not least, how this thing's going to arrive to your shop. It's going to look brand new. And you know why? Because we care here at Original One. We want to make sure that we refinish this exactly as the OE intended it to be the day they first made it. So it's not going to come in looking dinged up. It's not going to come in looking cheap and crappy and something you'd be ashamed to put in your customer's car. When your customer looks at the car and the repair that you've done, you want them to feel, man, these guys did a great job on my car. And we're going to help you with that here at Original One. So that concludes our product showcase on backup cameras. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. We look forward to bringing you even more parts down the road. And remember, it's not just a part in a box, it's the Original One.